The second question says find the values of theta and p if the equation this x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p is the normal form of the line this. Okay, so we are interested in theta and p. Basically, we are interested in writing this equation in the normal form. Main idea is that. Okay, and how do we write the equation in a normal form? What does normal form represent? What does normal form look like for that matter? Normal form for any line will be this. If this angle from the positive x-axis, okay, if you draw perpendicular from the origin, first thing, if you draw perpendicular from the origin, the length of the perpendicular is p, and the angle the perpendicular makes with the positive x-axis is alpha, then equation of the line will be x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p. So person has given p in place of p, but instead of alpha the person has mentioned theta over here. Never mind, we can find alpha which is same as theta, right? And for converting any general random equation of straight line in the form this, what do we do? If you have ax plus by plus c equals 0, you take the c on the right hand side, okay, this becomes minus c, and then you divide, this becomes ax plus by equals minus c. Please observe the coefficients are cos alpha and sin alpha, and for ensuring that the sums of squares is equal to 1 for these two, you divide with under root of a square plus b square. What is that? Where does this come from? This is a and b. We square them, add them and take the root and divide both sides by this same quantity. When we divide both sides by this same quantity, the next thing that remains is to convert this whole expression, since p is greater than 0 over here, convert this whole expression in positive, and after that you can easily guess the value of alpha with the help of cos alpha and sin alpha, right? Alpha belongs to 0, 2 pi, open at 2 pi and closed at 0. That's the important thing, right? So this is the approach that we follow for converting any equation in the normal form. Let's take a look at this one. This is root 3x plus y plus 2 equals 0. The first thing that I'll do is I'll take the 2 on the right hand side. This becomes root 3x plus y equals minus 2. Okay, next what I'll do is root 3 square plus 1 square is equal to what? And the under root is equal to under root of 4, which is simply 2. So since a square plus b square is 4 and under root of a square plus b square is 2, so what I'll do is I'll divide by 2 over here and I'll divide by 2 over here. This becomes, okay, convert this into a positive sign. So for that, let's write this first. 1 by 2 y is equal to minus 1. Now make this positive, so multiply with a minus throughout, and what you see is minus square root of 3 by 2 x plus minus 1 by 2 y is equal to 1. Now at this stage you realize that you are aware of 3 things. What are the 3 things? First thing is the value of p is 1. The second thing is cos alpha, or for that matter in this question cos theta. In this question cos theta, that's something which you can observe. Cos theta is minus square root of 3 by 2. Sin theta, as you can observe, is minus 1 by 2, right? These are a few things that you can observe over here. Once you note these things, can you find the value of p has been found, but can you find the value of theta as well? Since we were asked to find the value of theta and p, we have found p, yes. Can you find theta? If you observe cos theta and sin theta, both are negative. Okay, so theta will lie in the third quadrant. Yes, cos theta and sin theta both are negative, so theta will lie in the third quadrant. Applying concepts of trigonometric equations, you can say, okay, sin theta equals to half tells me that theta will be pi by 6. Okay, and when we talk about the third quadrant, you will have to go pi plus pi by 6, basically this particular angle. So sin theta is equal to minus half will tell me that theta equals pi plus pi by 6. Therefore theta is equal to pi. Using trigonometric equations, you can say this is pi plus pi by 6. This is what you observe, right? Okay, and what is this angle? This is pi plus pi by 6, which is 7 pi by 6, or in other words you can say this is 210 degree. Okay, so theta has been found, yes, and p was already found before this. P equals 1. That's the answer, right, for this particular question. 7 pi or by 6 or 210 degree. You can convert that into degrees also if you want. That's the final answer for this question, as you can see over here.